Most faceless YouTube channels fail. Not because they're faceless, but because they're clueless. In this video, I'll break down exactly why most creators never make it past 100 views, and how you can avoid every single trap. Myth number 1. Just post and pray. The biggest mistake? Creators think uploading random videos will magically bring success. But YouTube isn't a slot machine. No strategy equals no results. If your titles, thumbnails, and content don't solve a clear problem, the algorithm won't care. Myth number 2. AI does everything for you. AI tools are amazing. I use them every day. But they don't make bad content good. They make good strategy faster. If you're relying on AI to do the thinking for you, your channel's already in trouble. Myth number 3. No voice means no value. Some people think if you're not talking or showing your face, viewers won't trust you. That's false. Viewers care about clarity and value, not what you look like. But your message needs to be tight. No voice doesn't mean no effort. Where most people quit. Here's the truth. Most faceless creators give up after 3 weeks. They post a few videos, no traction, and walk away. But the algorithm is watching your consistency, not your first 3 uploads. What to do instead? You need a simple system. Pick a clear niche. Post 3 to 4 solid videos a week. Use tools to speed up the process, not replace it. Optimize titles, thumbnails, and descriptions. Track what's working, then do more of that. It's not about shortcuts. It's about strategy. Most channels fail because they wing it. Yours won't, because now you've got a plan. If this helped, subscribe for more faceless YouTube strategies, and check the description below for tools that make it easier. Always remember, no face, just cash. See you on the next one.